Hey guys, so today is Friday. It's the first week of December of 2024, and it's been a difficult week this week. So I just wanted to hop on here because it's been a while since I've posted a long, I guess you call these long videos, long form videos. And I've actually been doing some soul searching on getting better at cleaning up my game as far as working on these videos and the direction that I want to go with on my channel. So what I'm excited about is that I've been doing, some research on YouTube as far as like how to get better at content creation. What is my focus? What is the direction that I want to go? And one of the things that I've also come across is you can get coaching on YouTube through a lot of these YouTube creators that have their own, success, and it's pretty cool. One of the things that I've also been working through is how to clean up my communication and trying to focus on eliminating all the pauses or I don't know what you call these words, but they're like pause words, like likes and all that kind of stuff. And if I can just get better at that, that's going to improve my communication style. But I am excited. I want to say that I am excited about this goal that I have as far as getting monetized on my YouTube channel. Like I said, I've been kind of embarrassed about posting onto the channel, coming through without, being prepared, or just these daily practices of these videos is forcing me to get better at cleaning up how I project myself, how I communicate. And I think also the one thing that I really do want to work on is I want to come through and, like I said, get better at what my message is, right? But anyhow, I wanted to come on here because I did not post a long form video, I don't think, right after Thanksgiving. So it's been a few days since I posted. And one of the things that I've also been learning, I don't know if you guys are doing this, but watching all these other content creators that are small channels, and they've been blowing up just by creating normal, regular videos, raw, just in the raw like this, and just opening up. But here I go with these so I am excited because I don't know where I'm going with this YouTube channel. I do know that I want to get it together, get more practice, and every day or every week that I get to post a long form video, it is forcing me to get organized with how I communicate, how I record. I'm getting the practice, and I'm also getting better at my communication skills. So one of the funny things that I did this week was that I asked ChatGPT, I don't know if you use ChatGPT, but I asked it about how to I asked it for help, like how do you get better at niching down? So I just asked ChatGPT, I told ChatGPT, like, hey, I have a YouTube channel. I gave it its stats, like I'm almost close to getting monetized. And I don't know what to talk about because there's so many things that I can talk about with all the experience that I have in life. Being 55, I have a lot of experience and I have a lot to share. I've had a lot of setbacks in my life and would like to share those stories with you guys. And whoever comes in, joins my community, I'm looking forward to growing a community. And I don't know what my stories will do, but I feel like I do have a message. And I told ChatGPT that growing up, or not growing up, but when I was younger, when I was in my early 20s, I had thought of actually becoming a motivational speaker and didn't know how to make that happen. And so this is back in the early 90s when I had gone to a seminar. I was a secretary back in those days. When you're an office admin, they called us secretaries. So I was a secretary for the university in my early 20s, and I had been sent to a Evelyn Woods seminar. And one of the things that it was several seminars, how to get organized, how to improve your office skills. And I think it was I don't remember what it was, but I remember going to these seminars. Luckily I'd gotten the opportunity to go to a few, and I was really inspired by these motivational speakers. You know, they train you. It was like a full day seminar back in those days. I don't know if they still do those seminars, but so yeah, that's where I was like in awe by the motivational speaker. They get up in front of, I want to say, a group of 300 or 400 people, and they motivate you, and they talk to you about how, you know, how to improve your office skills or whatever skill it was that I was at that seminar to learn. And they always were so motivational. They were always so like, they'd share their background stories, and then they'd talk about these books, you know, how to improve, you know, personal development books. And I was just blown away, and I just thought, wow, how cool that is to get in front of so many people and deliver a message, and then you end up selling all these books as a result of that. So long story short, I go to college, and, you know, I struggled going to college as a single mom. And well, part of those initial years, you know, working on my bachelor's degree, I had been in a marriage. It was a very complex marriage because it was out of teen pregnancy, and I was a high risk young adult, I guess, you know, being teen pregnant. And but I'd been determined to prove to my family that I could, even though I'd gotten, you know, pregnant in my teens, it was my senior year of high school, that I was still going to, you know, work hard at achieving, you know, the impossible, which was to go to college. And I didn't know how I was going to make that happen. But we got married early in life, and my ex-husband and I, and so anyway, I don't know where I was going with that. But what I was trying to say was that I went to college in this marriage. We were in the military, and, you know, did what I could, got part-time jobs here and there. And what took me about 5 years to get a 2-year, get my core, you know, subjects out of the way at a community college, I was able to do that during that marriage. And then he ended up getting arrested, and he ended up going to the military prison. So that's when I became a single mom. And I think I was about 27. I don't remember how old I was. I got to do the math again. But we didn't last. We held on, and you know, I endured a lot during that separation of supporting him while he was in prison, incarcerated, and I had just well, I'm not going to go into that story full depth, but, you know, that'll be one of the stories that I share. I managed to get the first 2 years out in those 5 years of being married to him. And so I was halfway to getting my, you know, reaching one of my goals was to get my bachelor's degree. And granted, I did get my bachelor's degree, but it took 10 years. So that'll be another story. But anyhow, I just wanted to come on here real quick and let y'all know that I needed to get this long form video up. And this was a challenge, but that is the challenge that I took on back in November. I don't know if you guys started watching me, but DoDash was a YouTuber that if you're not following her, she was a video that pulled up on my screen. It was suggested, and I went and looked at it, and she was just talking about, you know, how she I don't remember what it was, but I got inspired to come back to my YouTube channel thanks to her. And I don't know, like I said, where I'm going with this, but I am going to go ahead and embrace it. And this is when I decided to challenge myself to do the work, and that is to come on here at least once a week with a long form video, and then and do some shorts. And I'm opening up. It's you know, it's been kind of intimidating because I'm opening up a side that I would not share on Facebook, or I would not share this site on Instagram. So yeah, so I taking this challenge on. Like I said, I'm excited. It's now coming, I think it was November 10th when I came across DoDash's video, and here we are. Today is December 8th, and it's coming up on a month, and I think by this weekend it'll be a month since I took this new challenge on, and see where it goes. So just want to let y'all know, thank you for watching this video if you've made it this far. You know, if you're also a YouTuber and you're wanting to, you know, go forward with your, you know, goals and content creation, you know, let's build a community, let's share ideas, and let me know what you think, you know, what your thoughts are. All right, well, y'all have a great day, and we'll keep you, I'll be trying to get these videos posted on a weekly basis. Bye.